In a land almost forgotten by the world, there is a forest that even experienced explorers fear to enter. Min's mission is to enter the jungle and find traces of a research team that mysteriously lost contact. From above, the forest appears peaceful, but beneath the canopy lie countless dangers waiting to be discovered. The helicopter can only land outside the forest. From this point onward, Min must continue the journey alone. Inside the jungle, a compass, a rope, or a small first aid kit could mean the difference between life and death. Just a few steps ahead, the daylight begins to disappear, revealing a completely different and unfamiliar world. The local guide warns that predators, swamps, and violent weather are only the dangers that can easily be seen. Once he crosses this boundary, Min will no longer be able to communicate easily with the outside world. The dense vegetation turns every meter into a challenge, forcing Min to clear his own path through the jungle. From the very first steps, the forest reveals a rich, unusual ecosystem that always seems to remain on alert. In the wet mud, Min discovers a large, fresh footprint. A powerful predator must still be somewhere nearby. High above, the monkeys suddenly cry out and flee together. Their instincts are warning them of approaching danger. A deep growl echoes through the jungle. Min realizes that he has entered the territory of a dangerous predator. Behind the thick vegetation, a black jaguar silently watches him. One careless movement could provoke a deadly encounter. Fortunately, the jaguar does not attack. It quietly disappears, although Min knows it may still be watching. The path ahead is blocked by a swamp, where the dark surface conceals everything moving beneath the water. Min uses a long branch to test the depth, but unusual bubbles reveal that he is not alone here. From the dark water, a caiman slowly emerges. The distance between the animal and Min is becoming dangerously small. Without turning his back or making sudden movements, Min slowly retreats before the animal decides to approach. After going around the swamp, Min discovers an old wooden bridge, the only way to cross the powerful river. Every step makes the bridge sway. The rotten wooden planks could collapse beneath Min at any moment. One plank suddenly breaks and falls into the river. Min steps back in time, but the path ahead is severed. Min uses a strong hanging vine to cross the gap while the violent river continues rushing beneath him. Before he can rest, a violent tropical storm arrives, making the journey through the forest even more dangerous. Beneath the enormous roots of an ancient tree, Min finds a small shelter where he can escape the storm. Ancient symbols slowly emerge from beneath the moss, proving that people once lived or traveled through this forest. An arrow-shaped symbol points east, matching the direction of the mysterious valley marked on Min's map. Behind a thick curtain of vines, an ancient stone path hidden by nature for many years slowly appears. A venomous green pit viper lies on a branch directly ahead. Min must remain still to avoid provoking it. Instead of disturbing the snake, Min slowly steps backward and searches for a safer route around the trail. At the end of the ancient path, a massive stone wall appears, almost completely consumed by roots and vines. Behind the dense vegetation is a stone entrance leading to a structure that has never appeared on any map. Beyond the wall lies an entire complex of ancient ruins, hidden beneath the rainforest for countless generations. Min enters the central courtyard. The silence is so complete that every footstep echoes between the stone walls. Stone statues shaped like predators may once have guarded something far more important hidden deeper. Inside the ruins, a deep sound suddenly comes from behind the wall. There seems to be a hidden space beneath the ancient structure. A narrow passage leads underground. At the end of the tunnel, Min discovers an enormous sealed stone door.